This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
In this state-of-the-art facility, human precision meets automated efficiency to ensure only the highest quality cuts.
Using advanced AI cameras, every tomato is scanned. Defective items are automatically removed, while
Keep it moving, next section. We need more crates over here. keep coming back. You're good right there.
Try this, I think.
All right, let's get this unloaded. Check the invoice. We need 6 more patties on the grill now. Rush order for drive-through. Need another patty up here.
Right.
Coming right up, chef.
The classic favorites you love, cooked to perfection and ready for you.
Here is your Big Mac meal. Enjoy that for me.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
The taste you love, crafted to perfection. Experience the classic McDonald's hamburger. The patty output is exceeding projections by 20% in Sector 4. Reroute the logistics, ensure the supply chain can keep pace with this surge. Sample 4B is running now. The preliminary data suggests everything is well within the acceptable safety limits.
Confirmed. The lipid oxidation markers are very low.
The samples exhibit optimal freshness, the texture profile of the beef is satisfactory, and the aromatics are robust.
Okay, 20 cases of buns and 10 beef. Sign right here, thanks. We need more patties on the grill now.
Here your meal.
Thank you. And then he spilled the drink everywhere. It was hilarious.
It wasn't that funny at the time.
Dad, yes it was.
The freshest ingredients, perfectly assembled. Experience the taste of our classic burger. We take pride in the journey our ingredients make, from the farm, fresh to you. Experience the taste of perfection. The McDonald's meal, prepared with care and served fresh. From the farm to the factory to your table, that is the journey of every McDonald's burger.
Hot, juicy, and perfectly complete. Your McDonald's favorites, freshly prepared and ready to enjoy.
Here is your hamburger meal. Enjoy.
Thank you so much. Wow, this quarter pounder is amazing.
I love mine too, Dad.
Did you steal more of my fries, sweetie?
That unmistakable taste. Layers of juicy flavor, fresh ingredients, and our signature sauce. Here at the McDonald's facility, human and robot work in seamless synchronization, producing thousands of burgers an hour. Experience the taste of quality, only at McDonald's.
This is the best burger I've had in a while.
I know, right?
The sunset is beautiful too.
From the farm to the restaurant, every step of the journey is carefully managed to bring quality to your table.